Welcome back. My name is Emerald C. If you haven't done so, I want you to hit the subscribe button so that you're always notified for fragrance updates and mini hauls and skincare and all that fun stuff. All right, we're gonna do a Sephora unboxing. It's not a lot of stuff, but here's the thing. My birthday is right around the corner and Sephora sent over like a free birthday gift thing. So I'm like, all right, well, I want to claim that, and I can only claim it online. And they had Tom Ford fragrance samples, which I've never seen in the like super tiny mini vials. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place this order and stop playing. Oh, and the icing on the cake is all fragrance orders, you received 4 times the amount of points that they're originally worth. We have the Sephora box right here, and I'm gonna open from the top. Actually, I'm gonna open from the bottom. I lied. Alright, so this is what we have in here. But it's okay because I'm gonna go one by one. Alright, so we have Love Shack Fancy, Love on the Beach, because I wanted to do more like tropical fragrances for this trip, especially since a lot of my fragrances in my collection I feel like are more warmer. And I decided to go with the travel size because y'all know I be getting hooked onto fragrances and I'm like, I need this now, and I'll impulsively buy a big bottle and then it might be like, I'm not in love with this like I thought I would. So I'm trying to be disciplined in buying the travel size, and if I love it, then getting the full size. Love Shack Fancy, Love on the Beach is up front. We're gonna take it out. Look at this pretty sunset bottle. It fades from pink to like yellow, and it has glitter. All right. So since I'm trying multiple fragrances, I'm gonna spray on different parts of my body, like on my arm, because I need to smell everything. I guess I could technically spray it on paper, but I want the skin effect, so I'm spraying it on skin, okay? We're gonna start here. We're gonna start low. Ooh, this is warm, sweet, slightly floral, tropical. I definitely smell notes of, oh man, this smells really good. Okay, so I'm getting coconut, and I think it's enunciated frangipani, which is like really tropical and sweet. I think, okay? I could be wrong, but that's what I'm smelling. And like a twinge of spice, like a tiny, tiny bit of spice. I'm not sure what that is. These were all blind bought, so we're gonna all be surprised together with this. I think it smells amazing. This is literally what I had in mind when I was thinking of like tropical, beachy type fragrances. This was it. I'm gonna put it back in the box because chances are I'm gonna probably do an unboxing video of this again. This one is Golden Muse Eau de Parfum, Harlem Perfume Company. This was actually in my cart prior to purchasing it this official time because I wanted to purchase, like, I think it was Black History Month. That's what it was. Black History Month, they had a whole series of like African American fragrances, and I'm like, I'm here for it. Let's do it. And I never executed it, but this was the push I needed, not for the African American company, but just for making the purchase in general, because there was incentive. I need those points. This is the bottle. This smells high-end, like high-end, luxury, sweet, warm. It smells like the refined version of this. This is more like my Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, right? This is what this reminds me of. That level of elegance and sunscreen like, where the first one more reminds me of, what is it? Juliet Has a Gun, Lust for Sun. This is giving Lust for Sun in that area, and this is more Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. That's what it's giving. Oh man, it's very beautiful. It's warm. It smells kind of musky. It's giving suntan lotion, elegance. I'm very pleased. Y'all, we're 2 for 2. 2 for 2 here. This was new, y'all. This just came out. So this is Armani Power of You. I saw the big bottle immediately. I wanted it, especially since my birthday's coming up and my family knows I love fragrance. So, you know, I'm a fragrance girly. We're gonna open it up and take it out. We have this very beautiful fuchsia light color. I'm gonna spray this. This is going on the back of my hand. I'm excited for this one. And it had like, I think it had like passion fruit or something really tropical in it that I'm like, I need this. Oh, this is sweet. This is the sweetest of the three. You definitely smell that tropical passion note in there. Passion fruit, guava, like it's giving that. This smells edible. I'm excited to see like the dry down of all of our fragrances. I need you guys to stay tuned because I'm going to do a full review on all of them and I'm going to probably start here. This is the YSL Lash Latex. I mean, I'm not going to go crazy into this because this was more about fragrance, but I got this. I think if you made an order over $40, this came with it. I'm not a huge mascara person because I usually either wear lashes or not. There's no like in between with me. So I might just like give this to my daughter. Montel Paris Arabians Tonka Eau de Parfum. This is one of the samples that came with it when they allowed me to like select a sample. I saw the reviews on it and this was highly anticipated for me. So this one is gonna go right here. Ooh, this smells luxury. Like this is very luxurious. It smells warm. It's slightly more male leaning, but I feel like it could definitely be unisex. Be great for like the winter, the fall, the evening, something like that. I can see my dad wearing something like this. This is really good. He like has a taste for this whole thing. It smells like musky and vanilla-y. It's surprisingly, I really like this. Tom Ford Oud Wood. Not a fan of oud, but I was interested because I do want to expand my fragrance collection, so I'm trying to be open-minded here. Ooh. It smells wealthy. It's warm. It's kind of spicy. There's something slightly clean about it too. This is definitely leaning more towards masculine, though I can see certain people saying it's more of a unisex scent. I'm not gonna say I'm in love with it or that I don't like it, but it's very intriguing. I will say that. And I'm interested to see how this unfolds because you know fragrances after a while they start unfolding and you get unique notes and different things. Last thing is Dr. Dennis Gross skincare. So this was like the birthday gift that I was able to select. So let's see what we have in here. Inside the box, it's another box. Okay. So this is the Universe Daily Peel, a patented 2-step peel with 5 AHA and BHAs. Okay, it helps to smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. All right, and you can achieve clinical results at home. Ooh. Okay, so it's 2 steps. I'm actually not familiar with this brand, so I'm going to do some research to see how this works and kind of go from there. We also have Fill and Repair Serum. I love a good serum. And Blur and Repair Cream. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't done so far, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I need to see you in the next video. If you love fragrance content like this, I would truly appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel and turning on your notifications right now. If you ever want to help choose what I review or you want to choose my next video, I also have a fragrance wish list that's linked below. Some of you have asked about it, so I created one where you can gift a fragrance you'd like to see featured on my channel, and I'd be happy to try anything that you guys suggest, but also there's the list available as well. It's a fun way for us to explore new scents together, and I always make sure to review and shout out the fragrances that you send, just as a special thank you. I appreciate you all so much for supporting my channel.